My name is Marlene Rocio Vales. This is my trip to the Great Wall of China. In this spectacular trip with my family to the immense and wonderful Great Wall of China. We had a great time starting with the plane trip since we had never traveled in one. It was also a very long and trying trip. We were very anxious to arrive to China and get to know that new culture. We visited the Beilin station. When arrived to Beilin, we got on the cable car to get to the wall. We were immediately surprised by such a large construction of the wall and impressive landscape. There were many people from different parts of the world. We took many photos, we walked for a while, and we got very hungry, so we went to the common of the Great Wall and went to a very traditional restaurant. This was one of the best experiences for me. The food had a unique and delicious flavor with ingredients of the region. Then we entered the museum where we learned the complete history of the Great Wall of China. We also visited the Ming tombs. It was a very educational experience culturally. We couldn't go to Wangyuan since our budget wasn't enough, and unfortunately, we weren't in the Great Wall Marathon. We will certainly do it another time. We stayed at a very nice and comfortable hotel near the Great Wall. The people were very keen to us, despite the difficulties with the language. The weather was in our favor the entire time, and we enjoyed everything. It was such an interesting trip that we wanted to come back some other day to visit other places. This was all for you. Thank you very much.